So quick update. It didn't turn out that good. I'm not sure if you could see it on camera. Um, yeah, it looks like shit. Hey guys, we haven't been posting any videos. Just got from Cuba a couple weeks ago. And I haven't had time to like settle down and continue working on the Mini. We are going to Mini Takes the States 2018. We're gonna do the whole drive up to Keystone, Colorado, and I just wanted to finish some stuff on the Mini. We were working on the wrap. I wanted to finish the wrap on the bumpers, and we had a couple of issues. We had some scuffs here in the bumper. I don't know where this happened, a shopping center, a parking lot at work, something. So, what I want to do now is obviously fix it. I already went ahead and sanded it down. It went all the way down to the primer. I'm not sure if I'm going to reprime it, but I do have the I do have it right here, the paint matched by Automotive Touch Up. We have the base coat and we have the clear coat. So I think just for safekeeping, we're gonna prime it down, this whole area right here, sand it back down so it's at the same height as the body and the rest of the other paint, and then we're gonna go ahead and start on the touch up. We are gonna mask all this off, so pretty much done. This is how it looks now. It's still drying. We are still gonna have to, as you can see, it's still drying. We still have to sand and even it out a bit. After that, it's pretty much just throwing the clear coat on it and then polishing it up, and hopefully it matches. So actually the paint job that I did on the bumper, I'll show you. It didn't turn out that good. Could have been way better. I should have had this planned a bit better, but it's okay because we're actually gonna go ahead and wrap the bumper. I already took apart the whole bumper. Everything is taken apart. The seals that go on the top, left and right, the grill, the lip, and the daytime running lights. We took everything off. Right now I still have to wash the bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll update you, or I will show you when I'm wrapping this, and then after this I have to take off the back bumper, and then from there we'll be done, and hopefully I can get this done in like couple hours. Shouldn't be that hard. Taking off the bumper wasn't that hard. I'll probably show you a clip of when I'm assembling the bumper. I have my car outside right now because, yeah, I needed the space. So